Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Golden Rabbit. In case you guys didn't know, anyways, thanks for tuning back on another episode. Well, today I'm gonna be building a cool, epic tower, a tower in the sky. So I'm gonna start off with like a block here, and yeah, I'm pretty much going up, guys, because if you guys are not up there, then you guys are not gonna be able to see the rockets. Elon Musk, he's building so much cool things, guys. And I feel like soon, guys, there's going to be houses in the sky. Wouldn't that be sick? That's what I'm going to do today, guys, for you guys, okay? So I'm going to build high up, guys. Not just like so high, but I'm going to build it so high so I can be safe at nighttime from the creepers. And I can just have a nice lookout, guys. Like, no one up here is gonna bother me pretty much because I'm high up in the sky. So let's keep guys building up, 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 up. We're going up, but we can never go down. Okay, I'll say that's pretty high, guys. That's pretty high. Okay, so I'm gonna build a little platform, guys, as you would say. Now, you guys remember, if you guys are building this in survival mode, be careful, don't fall, because if you fall from this high, guys, you guys are probably gonna die. But and make sure you guys have a ladder too, because I don't think you guys can float like this in survival. Anyway, so I'm making a nice platform, guys. Pretty sick. And I'm gonna make it just a little more wider, guys. So here we go. Now I can see like all the rockets in the sky, and I can see all the airplanes go by. This is gonna be epic, guys. Okay, there we go. It's Technoblade here. Now Technoblade was one of my friends, but he was a fellow Minecrafter. I remember one time I was on a game, and I was just joining a random server, and Technoblade was there. I was like, oh my goodness, is this Technoblade? And it was actually him. So yeah, we actually built some stuff together back in the day, and yeah, he really inspired me, guys. Like, because Technoblade, he's a legend, and legends never die. And pretty much he inspired me to do what I'm doing today, guys, is entertain you guys folks and start a YouTube channel. Like he spent so much time just building up his channel and making fun content, for the viewers. But then, one day that day had to come, and he's gone. But anyways, don't worry, guys, because legends never die, guys. And Technoblade, he was like my idol, like he inspired me to do what I'm doing today, guys. So guys, one piece of advice I have for you guys is never give up. Even though sometimes it gets hard, you just gotta keep on going, It's like everything in life. Sometimes you don't want to wake up in the morning because you feel tired. You want to keep sleeping. Well, you can do that, right? But where does sleep get you? Sleep gets you nowhere. It just gets you more tired and more rest. So anyways, that's my advice anyways. So you guys can take it or leave it, but that's how I'm feeling. Anyways, guys, so I'm finishing off here, and here you go. You gotta build a roof, guys. Nice, perfecto. And yeah, like Technoblade, his channel's still up there and running, guys, but it's just there's no more like new content. There's no more like things to look forward to. Like he posted. I was always waiting for his next videos, and yeah, I was a kid watching all this, and it was just crazy, guys. Like, and now he's just gone. Like, it's sad, but it's okay, guys. It's okay because we all miss him, guys. We got the 2 doors here, perfecto. We're gonna build that there. Okay, perfect, guys. So we have our house up in the sky. That's a long distance now. We're going to build like maybe just one more thing, guys, for this video today. I'm just gonna build a nice little let's see, guys. I'm just building like a balcony pretty much, but I want like a wraparound balcony, so I'm just gonna build it like this, guys. I'm gonna do 2 blocks out all the way around, so I have enough space, so maybe in the morning I can wake up and I can do some nice running laps, you know, or something like that. Anyways, like, you gotta exercise when you wake up. If you don't, then I don't know what you're doing, guys, because you guys gotta stay fit. Okay, we got 2x2, guys. 2x2. Okay. We are almost there, guys. And yeah, it's a New Year's resolution, guys. I want you guys to have resolutions. If it's like going to the gym, do it. If it's either like starting a YouTube channel, do it. Because, you know, today's a day, and if you don't act today, then you'll never get anywhere, you know. Even if you're not that good, you know, you're just beginning out, like me, you know. I wouldn't say I'm professional level, but hey, we all gotta start somewhere, you know. And if we don't start, then we'll never know, you know. Like, my YouTube channel can probably maybe hit a couple million views, but it might not. But I guess we're gonna have to find out and see, guys. Anyways, my name is Golden Rabbit, and thanks for tuning in on today's episode of The House in the Sky. And now I'm pretty much safe from everything. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends, because stay tuned for the next upcoming epic videos. Peace out, guys.